Hi, thank you for reaching out to the Law Office of Rick Woodward. I'm Rick Woodward. My phone number is 321-254-0006. My email address is ricwood@bellsouth.net. My website is www.rickwoodward.com. Feel free to call me anytime. I'm happy to talk to you about your case. In this video, I'm going to talk about starting a divorce or a paternity case, beginning a family law case. The process begins in a paternity case by filing a petition to determine paternity and for other relief. The process begins in a divorce case by filing a petition for dissolution of marriage. Sometimes there's common elements in both cases depending on if there's minor children involved in a divorce case or not. Your attorney will prepare a petition for you to review and for you to sign. Your signature on the petition has to be notarized. At the time the petition is prepared, the attorney will file the petition with the clerk of the court. The attorney will also file a summons for the clerk to seal and return to the attorney. It usually takes about 24 hours for the clerk of the court to turn around a summons to send it back to the attorney. When I receive the sealed summons from the clerk, I attach that to the petition and I email the petition and the summons and any other documents for service of process to my process server. At that time, my process server will go out and serve the other side with the petition. A question I'm often asked is, how long does it take to get somebody served? Well, that depends. Brevard County's got some unique circumstances because Brevard County is such a long county. So process servers will typically serve somebody in the north end of the county when they're up in the north end doing their work. They'll serve people in the south end of the county when they're in the south end of the county doing their work. It also depends on whether the person that the process server is trying to serve is home, whether they actually open the door or whether they actually answer the door for the process server. At the time that the person served with the petition, the respondent has 20 days to file a written response. That 20 days is 20 calendar days, and it begins the day following the day of service. It includes weekends, but it doesn't include legal holidays. Once the respondent files his answer to the petition within that 20-day time period, then the case is ready to move forward. Typically, the respondent will file a counterpetition, basically seeking the same relief that the petitioner is seeking in his or her petition. If the respondent files a counterpetition, the petitioner must file an answer to the respondent's counterpetition within 20 days. At the point that the court has both the petition, the answer to the petition, the counterpetition, and the answer to the counterpetition on file, then either party is ready to notice the case as being ready for trial as soon as they want to do that. I think it's very important to notice the case for trial as soon as you can, because a contested divorce case in Brevard County will typically take upwards of a year, maybe longer, depending on which judge the case is assigned to and how backed up the judge's docket is. So I figure if a case is already going to take a year, if I delay in filing my notice that the case is ready for trial, then you can expect that the case is going to take longer than a year. The way to reduce the length of time a case takes is to file a notice for trial as soon as you're ready to do that. After you file the notice for trial, you want to set your sights on going to mediation. Please refer to my other videos for more information about the mediation process. At any rate, that's a very brief synopsis of what's involved in filing a petition for dissolution of marriage. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, and call me if you have any questions. Thank you.